Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get or pull up your Cash App barcode to load money onto your Cash App account. So let's get right into it. Now we'll be using this Quora article simply because I do not have Cash App in my region, so I'm not able to show you guys by actually using it. However, these steps that you see on my screen right now are very sufficient, and you can use them very easily. So let's go over them. And let me explain to you guys how this is done. Now, what you need to do to, load money onto your Cash App account through the barcode is first you need to go into your Cash App application on your mobile device. Then you need to tap on My Cash located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you need to tap on the Add Cash button, and you'll see an option to add cash using your bank or debit card. Select whichever you prefer, and then once you've selected the payment method, you'll see a barcode on the screen. Then you just need to select the barcode and show the barcode to cashier at a participating store such as Walmart or CVS, and ask them to scan it to load the money onto your Cash App account, and that is pretty much it. Now, as I mentioned, it is a very simple process. All you have to do is just set up your Cash App and go through these steps, and you should be good to go. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys myself how this is done, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.